Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today we are making a rich, nutty green brinjal curry using a special roasted masala paste. Let's look at the ingredients. Brinjal, 250 grams. Khas, 2 tbs. White till, 2 tbs. Dry coconut, 50 grams. Dhania, jeera, groundnut or peanuts. Tamarind paste. Onion. Green chili. Coriander. First, let's build the flavor. In a blender add khas, 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds, till, roasted coriander seeds, dhania, and jeera until they are aromatic and golden. Add a handful of peanuts for that extra crunch. And dry coconut, green chilies, and fresh coriander. And blend them into a smooth paste, as this is the heart of our dish. It's time to add some oil in a pan, and add in some chopped onion and sauté until soft. Add some ginger, garlic paste. Pour in that beautiful ground masala, and cook until oil is separated. To enhance the color, add a little turmeric and salt to taste. Let it simmer until the oil starts to separate. Add sliced green brinjals and some water. Cover and let it simmer, cook until brinjals are soft. Now let's check if the brinjal is soft. To balance the richness of the nuts, add a spoonful of tamarind paste for that perfect tang. Garnish with more fresh coriander. And there you have it, a rich, velvety green brinjal curry that's miles away from your basic stir-fry. The creaminess from the poppy seeds and that hit of tamarind is just chef's kiss. Serve this with hot rotis or steamed rice. If you try this at home, let me know in comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Until then, happy cooking.